Hi and welcome to Wiki Procedure video channel. Kindly subscribe our channel for more informative video. In this video, we are going to see about apply for fertilizer manufacturing license in Jharkhand. The link I am highlighting right now is provided below the description of the video. Moving on to the procedure, let's see how to apply via online. Please click on this link. You will be directed to Jharkhand Government Portal login page. If you are already user, enter the login credentials and click on login button. If you are new user, please click on new registration button. It will direct to the registration page. Please enter all the details in the provided space and click on submit button. Once you have registered, please log in using the login credentials. After logging in, please select the application form for fertilizer manufacturing license and fill the application form completely and upload the document. We have provided necessary document details in required document section. Kindly check it out. After uploading all the documents, enter your mobile number and click on Send OTP button. Once you receive the OTP, enter the OTP in the provided space and click on Submit button to complete the process. The application will be processed further. The concerned authority will check the submitted application and document. On successful verification, the license will be issued by the authority. You can collect the license in person or it will be sent through the post to the address mentioned while applying or issued as per applicable norms. Other way of applying through CSC center, same process but you need to visit the CSC center for the application process. We have provided the link here, kindly check it out. If you have any queries or need to apply in person, you can check our office location and contact section for the address detail. Also, we have provided more detail related to this procedure in below each section, which is more informative and user friendly. If you have any queries about our video, comment us. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video.